My name is Cherith Phillips, and I am from Johnson City, Tennessee, but I now live in PalmCoast because I got married this year. I started working at Spring Chiropractic in July of this year, 2020. I started going to a chiropractor because ever since I can remember, I've always had really bad sinus issues, which was always decongestion and everything up through here, and also my ears have always been super sensitive, and I've been told I have narrow ear canals, so I guess it happens more often to me. But in 2018, things were getting really bad too. I was having like ear infections over and over, and they kept giving me antibiotics, and it just would not completely clear up. And then at one point I ended up getting mastoiditis, which has something to do with the bone where the ear is, and so it was getting worse. So they sent me to an ear, nose, throat doctor, and basically he just told me I just need to keep taking antibiotics, which is what I was already doing. So I felt kind of defeated, and I was just in so much pain, and it kind of felt like no one was really listening to what was going on, and taking antibiotics for the rest of your life really isn't a great option. The doctor also just told me it was just allergies and it'd eventually go away, which I've had allergies my whole life and I've never had pain like that. Someone told me, hey, go to a chiropractor, which my whole life I was like, a chiropractor is for back pain or back problems. And they were like, it's actually more than just your back. It helps other areas. I had nothing else to lose, so I went to Palmer Chiropractic, where the students do their clinicals, and that was my start of a wonderful journey. I have found it very important that I get chiropractic care as I'm working here. In the past, I would only get it once every 2 weeks, and I can feel a difference now that I get mine in weekly. If I can get it in twice, I like to do that, because even if I'm not feeling bad, even if I'm feeling great, I have learned over time that if I let it go too long, things start spiraling out of control again. So it's really just keeping up with that maintenance. Just like you should be drinking water and eating healthy foods to keep your body going strong. You don't wait till you're really sick to finally start doing what you should for your body. So I figure it's the same for your back and your ears and everything that's all connected. Since working here, I've also been able to bring my husband along. He had never had chiropractic help before, and he was a little skeptical at first. Now he's the one who, if he misses a week, he's telling me, hey, we didn't get to go last week, and it has improved his posture, and he plays viola and trombone. He plays several instruments, and it's always a lot of strain on his neck and shoulders, and he has been seeing so much improvement in that and just posture and everything else. So he enjoys it even more than I do now.